Hi, how are you? We'll assume that you're going to sit for a test tomorrow morning. What if you can see the test paper tonight? Huh? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. To your amazement, this is how it is done. You feel very sleepy now. You're on the bed. Active brain waves are theta. Now you're going to put it to a small film. What will definitely happen tomorrow morning? You enter the school gate, entering the examination hall. You find the right desk along with your index number. Now you found the desk. You sat. It's comfortable. Now your invigilator or the inspectors are ready to distribute the test papers. Students at the front rows got it. Now it's your turn. You got the test paper. You unfold the test paper. Right on top, it is mentioned Department of Examinations. Duration on your right. The name of the subject right in the middle. And the time allowed. And the marks given. And the number of questions you have to answer for. You fell asleep a little while ago. Now you are excited. You're going to start reading the test paper. But remember, you are not reading the questions from the preferred lessons. Questions are thrown at you as it is from the test paper. Imaginary test paper. Try to read questions as much as possible from part A, B, C, etc. etc. But sorry to say, you can see the half of the paper only. You fall asleep. But you're lucky. More the questions you saw, more will be the benefit. Now, tomorrow dawns. You are coming into the reality. You sit for the test paper at the examination hall. You will be amazed. The same questions you saw last night will be there in the test paper with a little change. How did this happen? My dear friends, this is how it happened. The task was being performed by you just before the sleep will be taken over by the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind will find the answers during the sleep. But if you had not studied any lesson, the subconscious mind will not be able to find the right answer. That's a disadvantage. Apart from that, your subconscious mind will work for you to the best of your examination results. Come on, friends, go get it. Success is guaranteed. So at the beginning, you will be a little afraid to do that, but just try it and see. It's an examination secret. Most successful people do.